Welcome to Stratum.Viewer. In this quick tip video, we will cover the navigation panel. The navigation panel that shows up across the top of views displays a view's predefined drill down path and has shortcuts to popular features for customizing what you see in views. Let's take a closer look at the panel. The bird's eye view of space makes it ideal for seeing the entire drill down path of the view. The path represents the order of data that will be available when exploring the rows and columns of a view. A quick glance shows me this view has 3 levels of data available on rows. This one is currently displayed in the view, indicated by blue underlined text. 2 others are available but not yet visible in the grid, which are designated by black text. Notice that as I click on cells in the grid to explore more detail, the navigation panel is updated. I can do the same from the navigation panel, and the grid will be updated accordingly, clicking to move up or down to any desired level of detail in the view. If the data you want to see doesn't exist in the view, you can easily add it. Clicking on this Add icon will open up the Add Hierarchy window so you can add an available level to the view. This addition brings rep broker information into the view. I can control where rep broker shows up in the view using drag and drop features of the panel. For example, I can move it to the first position in rows. I can also move data between rows and columns to get a different look at my data. In this case, I am moving product category to columns. Take note that you can move things between the navigation panel and view filter section while customizing a view. Moving this filtered level from columns to the view filter section of the view creates a filter over the entire view by customer type. Finally, see something you don't need in a view? Delete it with a single step by way of the panel. Click the X icon to the right of it. This concludes our look at the navigation panel for views, a fast-track way to understand how data in your view is organized and a shortcut to popular view customization features. To explore more videos and other helpful resources, check out the Stratum homepage and the Viewer online help.